Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you ready to learn something new and exciting? Well, you've come to the right place. We have an amazing video for you today on how to stop acid reflux instantly. So, if you're looking to expand your knowledge and learn some fascinating information, then stay tuned. Acid reflux is a common condition that affects millions of people around the world. It is caused by the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus, which can cause discomfort and pain. While there are a number of over-the-counter and prescription medications that can be used to treat acid reflux, there are also a number of natural remedies that can help to relieve symptoms and prevent acid reflux from occurring. In this video, we will explore some of the best ways to stop acid reflux instantly, using natural methods. Baking soda. One of the most effective ways to stop acid reflux instantly is to use baking soda. Baking soda is a natural antacid, which means that it can neutralize stomach acid and help to relieve the symptoms of acid reflux. To use baking soda for acid reflux, simply mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it. This should provide instant relief from acid reflux symptoms. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another natural remedy that can be used to stop acid reflux instantly. Apple cider vinegar has a high acidity level, which means that it can help to neutralize stomach acid and prevent acid reflux from occurring. To use apple cider vinegar for acid reflux, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help to prevent acid reflux from occurring and also help to relieve the symptoms of acid reflux if it does occur. Ginger. Ginger is another natural remedy that can help to stop acid reflux instantly. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, which means that it can help to reduce inflammation in the esophagus and prevent acid reflux from occurring. To use ginger for acid reflux, you can chew on a piece of ginger root, drink ginger tea, or take ginger supplements. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is another natural remedy that can be used to stop acid reflux instantly. Aloe vera has a soothing effect on the esophagus and can help to reduce inflammation and irritation. To use aloe vera for acid reflux, drink aloe vera juice before meals or take aloe vera supplements. Peppermint. Peppermint is another natural remedy that can help to stop acid reflux instantly. Peppermint has a calming effect on the digestive system and can help to reduce the symptoms of acid reflux. To use peppermint for acid reflux, you can drink peppermint tea or take peppermint supplements. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is a simple but effective way to stop acid reflux instantly. Chewing gum can help to increase the production of saliva, which can help to neutralize stomach acid and prevent acid reflux from occurring. It can also help to stimulate the muscles in the esophagus and prevent the backflow of stomach acid. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is another natural remedy that can help to stop acid reflux instantly. Chamomile tea has a calming effect on the digestive system and can help to reduce inflammation and irritation. To use chamomile tea for acid reflux, drink it before meals or take chamomile supplements. Slippery elm. Slippery elm is a natural remedy that can be used to stop acid reflux instantly. Slippery elm has a soothing effect on the digestive system and can help to reduce inflammation and irritation. To use slippery elm for acid reflux, mix 1 tablespoon of slippery elm powder with a glass of water and drink it before meals. Melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that is naturally produced by the body and can help to regulate sleep patterns. It is also a natural remedy that can be used to stop acid reflux instantly. Melatonin can help to reduce the production of stomach acid and prevent acid reflux from occurring. To use melatonin for acid reflux, you can take melatonin supplements before bed. However, it is important to speak with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Elevate your upper body. Elevating your upper body while sleeping can also help to stop acid reflux instantly. This can help to prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus and causing discomfort. You can elevate your upper body by using a wedge pillow or by propping up the head of your bed with blocks. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. We have new videos every week on a variety of topics, so make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a thing. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with any thoughts or questions you may have. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.